Cars are everything. It's my passion, my hobby. I've never enjoyed anything but cars. When I was 10 years old, I would make stuff out of like cardboard, out of like wood, out of like toys, break toys apart, put toys together, fix toys. Like that's how you get to where I got a skill. I can take things apart and put things apart. I always tell my guys, either do it right or don't touch it at all. It's always done the way that I want it to be done, which is I treat people like I like to be treated. I like my stuff to be, hands-on, quality, put in effort, so that with my clients and be like, oh, I like this guy. I'm gonna bring him more work. I'm gonna refer him as my family. I'm gonna get him this, I'm getting him that. So that's what made me more successful. Just don't look at the money, look at the quality. So Rip Up Your Lifestyle is one of my favorite things to tell everybody. Like, why not?